Hi, my name is John. Then this is the magic switch box. Just get some bulbs and caps out and we'll get started. Here's the bulbs and the caps. Let's stick them in. Alright, so just like you might think, it is red, green, blue, and yellow. And of course, doesn't matter what order as usual. But that's not very interesting. Let's swap a few bulbs. Alright, so green lights are green, yellow lights are yellow, blue lights are blue, and red lights are red. Well, that's not very interesting either. Let's swap some of the caps around. So, anyway, green lights are green, yellow lights are yellow, blue lights are blue, and red lights are red. Well, some people might think that the the bulbs are lit up from lights in the ceiling. Well, let's take a frosted piece of plastic and cover them a little bit. If there's any light from the ceiling, it'll hit this, not shine from underneath. So, yeah, let's swap the caps around too. Just for fun. So, anyway, green lights are green, yellow lights are yellow, blue lights are blue, and red lights are red. As you can clearly see, it's coming from underneath the plastic. No way that could be from the ceiling. So, anyway, let's do something different. Let's pretend this green bulb is yellow and this yellow bulb is green. So, yellow lights are yellow. Well, it's actually green, but we're pretending it's yellow. Green lights are green. Of course, we're pretending it's green. And red, and blue, and yellow. I mean, red. Getting tongue-tied. So confusing. And of course, lost my cap. Anyway, well, let's see here. What could we do otherwise? Let's try taking a couple of bulbs out. And let's take these two bulbs and we'll swap them to some different places. Actually, you know, I'm gonna do, yeah, just be kind of interesting. So, two should do nothing, the other two should do something. They should light up the bulb. So, red and yellow are not plugged in, so they shouldn't do anything. So, red does nothing. Yellow does nothing. And of course, blue and green. Now, I'm going to guess where the yellow one's at. I'm going to say it's right here. And it is. Okay, let's guess for the green one. I mean, not the green one. The green one's already there. The red one. It should be right here. And yep, there it is. Anyway, I don't like it in any old order like this. So, let's put it where it should be. But the real question is, do the switches really do anything? Well, sometimes they do. Sometimes they don't.